just came from the Mulia Spa. Now we are here checked in.
We are here at the Samabe Villas and Spa, and this is our welcome drink. This is tangerine and coconut.
Here we have a pool villa, and this is what it looks like.
I marvel in your eyes, swimming in your sky. I've never been this high or this high. You feel like kryptonite, sparks fly like dynamite, reflecting in your light, beaming bright. You know I'm so much stronger when you're touching me. A power I can't handle, but I know I need. One look and I'll surrender. You're why my heart beats. From day one to forever, you'll be saving me. You'll be saving me.
We are in room 33. Let's go inside. Good morning.
It's a beautiful day in Bali, eh?
Oh my gosh, the sun rays. Having some espresso shots.
And here we go. Our breakfast just got delivered to us.
Our breakfast looks delicious.
Oh man, it looks so good.
Nasi goreng.
Nasi
we got
goreng,
bread
and
basket,
croissants, fruit,
waffles,
coffee, waffles. Wow.
and we're gonna eat breakfast now.
Woo!
I'm all ready for the day. After breakfast, we had some more coffee and got ready, and now I am going to be cutting the fruit of the day, which is guava. Oh, the cleaners are here. But this is the fruit of the day. Guava. This is inside the guava. One more bite. Fresh guava is so good.
Mary and I are here down by the beach, and we're just gonna cruise it most of the day here.
Do some windsurfing.
Try some windsurfing later. Maybe stand up paddleboard. Life vest is required.
Life right now.
Mary said this is the life.
So nice and comfy. Big ass kite. Just got a pina colada on the beach. Rita's about to go windsurfing. I don't feel any wind. We's gonna try it out. That was a no-go. There's no wind. Got back from the beach and now we're hanging out at the pool. We saw some monkeys earlier and we flew the drone.
After our very long day of hanging out at the beach and swimming at the pool and doing a little bit of work here and there, we are going on a date together.
Yay! Date night inside a cave. We're on the hammock around the property. Quick stop before dinner.
Oh man, this is so comfy. Push us.
I can't.
Lean with it, rock with it.
Okay, left and right.
We could do it. Left. Okay, I'll push us. There we go. Maybe you can't see me, but I know you could hear me, and we got lost. So we are at the right way now.
Taking the lift.
We have arrived. We've made it. Very romantic. Go ahead and take off our slippers here for the romantic feel of the man-made beach. I'm just kidding. Peach martini. Cheers. This is the mushroom soup, croutons and pesto sauce, and tiny bits of mushroom. Mary said she loves it. I'm not a fan, but
it's pure mushroom soup. I've never had anything like it. It's not canned mushroom soup, pure mushroom soup. And then I have this is the Indonesian oxtail soup. I'm so sorry that the quality is really poor on GoPro 7 nighttime, but let's try it out. That's some fresh oxtail soup. I had oxtail soup at the Mulia, and this one, let me try the meat first.
oh man, it's bomb.
It's so savory, and just the saltiness and everything is perfect.
Savory. dessert, rice pudding with mango. Sticky Thai rice with mango. Yum yum.
They put flowers.
Oh
my gosh. Oh
wow.
My gosh. Where's the light?
On the left. Oh, you're right. Wow. We just came back from a romantic dinner in the cave, and then we came home to this. How sweet.
This is a milk bath and a sea salt bath, but I wasn't expecting them to put flowers.
Amazing. Just such amazing service here all around.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Wow.
I'm blown away.
Is it romantic
Good night.
time?
This is Reed's coconut juice.
Not coconut.
Oh, it's not coconut. What was it?
Lemon or
Oh,
something.
fresh. That's dragon fruit.
I'm hoping this is pineapple. Not sure. Melon?
One more. Oh, that looks like tea. Drink it.
Tastes like green tea. This is watermelon mango.
Watermelon and mango. And I have coconut juice. Fresh coconut juice.
Is it as good as the other
Fresh. This is a mangosteen. I grew up eating this fruit in the Philippines and I haven't had it in years. And this is how you open it. You just squeeze it open. Oh, I don't know what that yellow thing is. This is what the fruit looks like.
How does it taste?
It's like sour sweet, but mostly
tastes
sweet. Tastes like lychee.
I don't think they can hear me.
It tastes like lychee. There's only there's only one fruit from here that has a seed, which is this big one.
We just checked out of Samabe, but we're at the gym because Mary and I have an ongoing competition that keeps our relationship alive.
We're gonna play some table tennis.
So we're starting a clean slate because I kept beating Mary all the time.
Here.
And here we go. I just won that round 7-4. Round 2, first to 2 rounds wins. I win.
Oh my god.
Champion!